Today we're making a two-ingredient persimmon chocolate pudding that tastes like chocolate mousse but is secretly fruit. No cream, no refined sugar, just ripe persimmons and dark chocolate. So first, persimmons. If you've been spotting this tomato-looking fruit everywhere lately, you're not imagining it. Persimmons have certainly become the super popular fruit in India, especially during winter, because they're naturally very sweet, soft, and perfect for desserts without needing added sugar. But here's the important part, they have to be fully ripe. When you press them, they should feel soft, almost squishy. If they're firm, they'll taste slightly astringent and not very pleasant. The riper the persimmon, the sweeter the flavor. Now, yes, you could just blend this with cocoa powder and call it a healthy pudding, but I wanted this to taste indulgent. So I added melted dark chocolate. I use Amul sugar free dark chocolate for most of my sugar free desserts. It's easily available, melts beautifully, and gives you that deep chocolate flavor without adding refined sugar. To melt chocolate easily on a gas stove, here's a quick double boiler method. Take a small saucepan with some water, bring it to a gentle simmer, place a heat-proof bowl on top, making sure the bottom doesn't touch the water. Add chopped chocolate into the bowl and let the steam melt it slowly. Let it cool slightly, then take a blender, add all the sliced chopped persimmons into the blender, add cocoa powder to the blender. All the measurements will be given down in the description in the full recipe, so follow that. And add the melted chocolate into the blender with all these ingredients. And now, a small but powerful step, a pinch of salt, not to make it salty, just enough to balance the sweetness and deepen the chocolate flavor. It makes the whole thing taste more intentional. This is now ready to blend. Blend this mixture. This is your chocolate mousse elixir. Spoon it into small bowls and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours to get the silkiest, most chocolatey, vegan, sugar free, healthy chocolate mousse, the best one that I've personally tasted. Top it up with some pistachios or nuts of your choice and enjoy. If you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel for more.